Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, happy Louis Vuitton Day, and you know what that means. For today's episode, I'm going to share to you up and coming Louis Vuitton bags. I would be providing you all the information that you need, from the product codes, prices, product features, and launch dates. All you need to do is just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot. And for pre-orders and availabilities, kindly check the website and your CAs. Guys, I'm inviting you all to watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Looking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. I would really appreciate it. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Romero52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, so we are going to discuss the continuation of the Men's Fall Winter 2025 runway show. So this will be launching July 10, 2025. So always check with your CAs and the website. So first we have the Speedy P9. First we have the 25 bandolier. Price of this one is 7,750 euro or 9,300 USD. Colorway is Pink Sakura. Next on the collection, we have the colorway in Indigo. And the size of the Speedy P9 is 25 bandolier. Price is 8,250 or 9,900 USD. So of course, the material is the fine calfskin leather, and it is lined with lambskin leather. Of course, it comes with a detachable pouch. So the indigo colorway would come in the size 30 bandolier Speedy P9. Price of this one is 8,750 euro or 10,500 USD. We have SKU here. So this is the interior of the Speedies, and of course they come with the very cute and chic detachable leather pochette, as we can see here. Next on the collection, we have the Speedy P9 size 30 bandolier. Price of this one is 8,750 euro or 10,500 USD. Material is fine calfskin leather lined with lambskin. Colorway of this one is gold kitsugi. It would come with detachable leather pochette, detachable bag tag, and detachable leather strap. Next, we have the Speedy P9 40 bandolier. Price of this one is 9,250 euro or 11,100 USD. We have SKU here. So the colorway of this one is the much favored Pink Sakura. It comes with detachable leather pochette. So this is how it looks like when you're going to carry the size 40 bandolier Speedy P9. Next on the collection, we have the indigo colorway, but it would come in the biggest size, which is the Speedy P9 size 50 bandolier. Price is 11,000 euro or 13,200. So this is going to be perfect for that weekend getaway or your travel. So what do you think of these Speedy P9s, guys? Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright, so the next on the collection, so it would be the Pochette Voyage. So price of this one is 1,300 euros. So this is still from the Men's Fall Winter 2025 runway show. So I have discussed this previously, but I would like to show you this as well, because of course the material of this one is monogram canvas, reverse mono, and the demi bean that we are calling the monogram landscape, which I truly love. And of course, if you're looking for an SLG, just look at this very beautiful slender wallet, and the price is only 490 euro or 680 USD. We have SKU here. Monogram landscape material from classic monogram canvas, reverse monogram. It would have also the May Ebin canvas, and I'm seeing also a giant May Ebin print as well. So next on the collection, so this is from the Capsule tennis collection that will be launching July 11th. So we have the Keepa bandolier size 45. Price of this one is 2,950 USD. We have SKU here. So the Keepa bandolier 45 would come with the tennis stripe design. It would come, of course, with the treated leather bag tag and detachable leather strap as well. So part of the tennis collection, we have Vivian tennis decor. So price of this one is 3,050 USD. So the material of this one is monogram pattern. It would also come with the cotton and resin detail, and of course it would have metal parts. So this is Vivian carrying a tennis racket. So would you purchase this one, guys, to put as a decoration at your houses? Then we have a tennis racket storage bag. So price of this one is 2,170 USD. So guys, for this one, kindly check with your CAs because I'm not really sure and I could not confirm if the racket comes with, but oh my god. So if, for example, it is just a tennis racket storage bag, then OMG, this is really expensive at 2,000 USD. So next we have the tennis notepad that is 110 USD. So tennis capsule collection. So of course, the fabric or the cover of the notebook is fabric in the monogram print with the tennis stripe detail. So this collection would be launching July 11, 2025. Next on the collection, so we do have the Speedy 40 bandolier. So still from the fall winter 2025 collection. So this one, guys, they are using the monogram landscape collection but in denim material. So we are going to see how the size of this one feels against, you know, a body. So 40 bandolier, perfect for travel. And next, we have the Discovery Cargo Backpack. So price of this one is 2,500 euro. Materials monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. It would come with adjustable backpack strap. So this is the back part, as you could see. And this is the front part. So I love the huge front pocket, perfect for your passport or your wallet or your phone. And then we have the pocket organizer P9. Price of this one is 850 euro or 1,050 USD, made of fine calfskin leather. So guys, we have different SKU here for the green sacha, for the black, for the yuzu yellow as well. So kindly check with your CAs for the availability of the pocket organizer. Then going back for the Aquarel collection, so launching July 11, we have the Kuzan PM. Price of this one is 5,000 USD. Material, of course, is the very soft and supple lambskin leather. Colorway of this one is the Dream Cream. It would come with detachable chain strap, as we could see here, in detachable strap. Next, we have the Kuzan PM. For the price, please do stand by. So I will be posting more on this collection because this is the natural canvas collection. Materials canvas with cotton, and of course it would come with cowhide leather trims. It would come with leather detachable top handle and leather detachable strap. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you did, guys, kindly leave me a star emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramirify2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe, and I will see everyone soon. Bye!